Picked up this Lionel 221 engine, steam engine. It needs some work. I did some rewiring. I upgraded the E-unit. Now the next things I have to do is get a set of rear trucks, because you can see there's no coupler, and front trucks there are no wheels. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe if you remember. That's a pretty cool looking engine. All die-cast metal. And here's the parts I've repaired already. New wire, new E-unit. Rebuilt the E-unit. So this might be a fun little engine.